This is a one-owner 2019 Ford Fusion Titanium all-wheel drive. Has 4 cylinders, 2.0 liters with the EcoBoost turbo. AutoCheck gives this Ford Fusion a score of 90 out of 90, and it has been in no accidents or had any damage reported. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautocells.com. Here is the trunk space. There's lots of room there, and then those seats fold down if you need to haul any longer items than the trunk allows for. There's your spare tire. Come around here and I'll show you the blacked out rims and the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a black leather in excellent condition. Here is the back row. There's no rips or tears anywhere. In fact, it looks like the seats have hardly been sat in. You have dual power seats. Here's the passenger seat. And then here's the driver's seat. All right, the display navigation screen is where your backup camera is. You can also have a navigation stereo and see what you're listening to as well. There's plenty of options. And pair your phone. You listen to your own music as well. There's your climate control. You have dual climate control. Then you have heated and vented seats. It's your USB and 12-volt ports. This car comes equipped with lane assist, collision warning, blind spot monitoring, cruise control, seat memory, power locks, power windows, and then it also has a sunroof. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive sedan, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Ford Fusion out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you will drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!